Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will explain to you why your changes in your hosting or website builder does not show up online or on your website. First thing to do in order to make sure to publish your changes is to first hit the update website. As you can see, my website now is saving and also publishing. If your change is still not visible after updating your website, it may be due to your browser cache. To overcome that, all you need to do is to open your website in the incognito browser. If even with the incognito browser you still have the same problem, you may be trying to connect with your with a different network. For example, if you're on your home network, try to connect your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. If you still don't see your changes online on your website, you can try either accessing your website from a different device. It may be at a computer or a mobile phone. If you don't see your changes on different devices, this means that you have problems with saving and publishing your or updating your website. And this may be due to using or opening your website editor in multiple tabs. So make sure to open your website editor from one tab and in one device, and make sure to update your website and you will see your changes online. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.